Does throwing JavaScript errors impact performance? Imagine trying to catch a ball with a net versus just walking under it. Throwing errors in JavaScript is similar. It involves extra steps that can slow things down. When you use the throw statement to raise an error, JavaScript creates an error object. This object holds details about what went wrong, like a message or a stack trace. Then, JavaScript starts unwinding the call stack to find a catch block that can handle that error. This process takes CPU time and resources. If errors are thrown often, especially inside functions that run repeatedly, it can cause noticeable slowdowns. Using try-catch blocks to handle errors is necessary for managing unexpected issues. But these blocks are more expensive than simple conditional checks. When an error is thrown, JavaScript has to generate a stack trace, which adds overhead. This overhead is usually small if errors are rare. But if errors happen frequently, it can add up and impact performance. It is best to reserve throwing errors for real problems that can't be fixed with normal checks. For example, invalid user input or failed API responses are good reasons to throw errors. This way, you avoid slowing down your code unnecessarily. In asynchronous JavaScript, like with promises or async functions, throwing errors signals failure. But you need to catch these errors properly to prevent unhandled rejections or crashes. To sum up, throwing errors is slower than simple checks because it involves creating objects and unwinding the call stack. The performance hit is usually small if errors are rare and used for exceptional cases. But relying on errors for regular control flow can cause big slowdowns. If your code is performance sensitive, avoid throwing errors inside tight loops or functions that run many times. Proper error handling with try-catch blocks is important, but it should be used carefully to balance robustness and speed. Knowing when to throw errors and how to handle them properly is key in mastering JavaScript for web development. Use errors to catch unexpected failures and improve debugging. But don't rely on them for normal logic checks. This approach keeps your applications both fast and reliable.